Hey everyone, as you can see here, we got the M2 Pro MacBook Pro. The latest, today's release date as of recording, and I'm going to unbox it. So, I got this because I'm going to be reconfiguring how I do things at my house. My current AMD Ryzen gaming PC, main PC, will turn into strictly for gaming, and this laptop will be for everything else. Video editing, graphic design, you name it. And even just general productivity, you name it, it's going to do it. I'm excited. Let's unbox it. I have the M2 Pro with 16 gigs of RAM and a 512 gig SSD, so base model, but should still be very good. First of all, I do miss when Apple used the plastic seals for these boxes. It made more satisfying, but hey, that's also pretty satisfying, but not as satisfying. Right, so here we go. And here it is, right in the face. Dang, it's actually pretty hefty, but the heftiness is good because it's going to be pretty damn powerful. Let's put that to the side for now. And here's the MagSafe. It's good to have MagSafe back, it's one of the best chargers ever. You know, you actually trip, this goes off, not the entire laptop. So this is a lifesaver, and I'm glad Apple brought it back. And here is the classic design by Apple in California stickers and instructions and all that. So as you can see, you got the MacBook Pro stuff, how to use it, what it looks like, your warranty information, and last but not least, wouldn't be enough to about this, stickers, and black Apple stickers as well, which is pretty cool. And then just your power brick as well. I mean, nothing too special, hasn't changed since 2016, so yeah. Okay, let's go back to the MacBook Pro. So, that's really the most satisfying part of it all. Unwrapping it. Oh, yeah. Now look at this. This is a laptop right here. Now, I used to have the 2019 MacBook Pro for a little bit. It was a good laptop, however it was awful in terms of storage when I got the 128 gig model, and it was also the model of the butterfly keyboard, and also it was just USB-C ports. But as you can see, since the 2021 model, it's got the MagSafe back, the micro SD, another USB-C, and an HDMI. See, the thing is, I'm fine with USB-C now because it's Thunderbolt. And also because dongles and all that are much more livable with HDMI built in, and the MagSafe as well. So let's open it up. Alright, let's open it up for the first time. Oh, and I've got all my buttons on. That is pretty sexy if I do say so myself. And you got the hello stuff. And that's where I'll leave the video. There'll be further coverage on this, not in terms of review and everything, just in terms of how I use it in day-to-day life. But for now, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.